Yo, check this out. Let's play a little true or false. This says paying off a negative account does not remove it from your credit report. Now, not only is this true, but guess what else I found out? When you pay the last payment on that old collection account, that's when the 7-year clock starts of it sitting on your credit report, because the rule says it's 7 years from the last activity on that account. So there's 3 ways to legally get a negative account removed from your credit report. Number 1, it's not yours, right? It's identity theft, and you go through the process to prove that. Number 2, you wait 7 to 10 years for that account to come off of your credit report. Or number 3, you go through a successful, legal, and compliant disputing process, because there are processes out there that are not compliant and not legal. But luckily, our company's been doing this for 20 years. I've been doing it for 7.5 years, and we've helped remove over 2 million negative items from our clients' credit reports with our disputing process. If you want to learn more on how we do it and we do it affordable, DM me.